everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video is all about unboxing package from C Beauty Mall. C Beauty Mall is a cosmetics shop. So guys, I received this special package from them, which I really want to unbox this package with you guys. So let's get started. First, let's start with this palette. I personally choose this palette from the website because they asked me to pick just 4 items. Name of this palette is Lucky Me. Lucky Me, let's see how lucky I am. Let's see how lucky I am. Let's see. Oh my god, they are all nude colors, so I will be creating a makeup look with this palette here. I mean right now. Let me read out what they wrote on this palette. All I melt are God's will, and all I have is lucky me. Thank you so much, C Beauty Mall. I really appreciate. Thank you. This is so cute. Thank you. This is the second gift, and let's open it. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is so luxury. This is so luxury. I love the look. Just take a look. This is so luxury. Oh my god, thank you so much, C Beauty Mall. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you guys. Thank you. The next is mascara from C Beauty Mall. I love using mascara a lot. Oh my god. Wow, this is so it's mascara. I will also use this mascara as eyeshadow base as well. So it's good to go for eyeshadow base and for mascara. So I'm using this as a base anytime I want to create something purple or something lilac. I'm going to use this mascara as my base. I can also use it on my lips as well. Just let us try it. Let's try it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe this is mascara on my lips. I can't believe. Oh my god. Thank you, C Beauty Mall. This is so gorgeous. This is super pretty. And it has good smell. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you guys. I can't believe this mascara is good to go as lipstick. Oh my goodness. The next is Velvet Lip Tint. Velvet Lip Tint from C Beauty Mall. All the product I'm showing you guys is from C Beauty Mall. This lip tint is something else. This is super cute. I love the color. It's just like for the summer. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is so cute. It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells so good. It just I feel like putting it on my mouth because it smells so good. Let's try this out. Thank you so much, C Beauty Mall. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. So if you need those items I just unboxed right now, you can go to their website www.cbeautymall.com, and don't forget to use my discount code. Please go and use my discount code right now if you need this gorgeous and luxury brush. They ship so fast and you receive it in 5 days. So go and patronize them. They have a lot of amazing items. I will drop my discount code at the description list. Please pick my discount code and go straight to their website at www.cbeautymall.com. go and patronize them, and don't forget to use my discount code. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video using this palette to create a very simple look on eyeshadow tutorial. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.